Alright guys, this is part 2 of changing your brake safety switch. So your brake safety switch is out, and I wanted to make this video just in case you guys were having a hard time of getting the stopper in, which is this little rubber piece I have here. So what I did to make my life so much easier is I took a 3/8 little mini wrench and I put the stopper in like so, and I'm going to show you why in a sec. So you're going to need this and a small screwdriver. Doesn't matter if it's a flathead or a Phillips head. You're going to want to, you see those holes right there where the brake safety switch came out, and that hole right there behind the pedal. So now I might have a hard time filming this while doing this at the same time, so bear with me guys. But you are going to want to put this rubber stopper right smack dab, just line it right up where it should go, and then once it's on the hole like so, you're gonna want to slide your wrench out and take your screwdriver and put it right through this hole up here like so, to press it in from behind. And again, I might have a hard time filming this while giving you guys an example of how to do it, but I'm gonna try. And you might have to press your brake pedal a little bit. If you fail, it's okay, you try again. So we're gonna press our brake pedal. We're gonna put this right where it belongs. And you're gonna want to line up that hole perfectly. And then apply pressure. To push it in like so. And see guys, when we got our stopper right there in the hole, and all we have to do now is put our brake switch back on. So that's not quite lined up, but you get the gist. I'm gonna apply more pressure and push it in there, and then put my brake safety switch back on, and that should wrap up this video.